them, dude.
Shift up, you dork. Let me hear third gear. What do you think?
Want to trade?
You like it?
Let me compete in this thing.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Were you in third or second?
When I was going around here first and then second.
Yeah, so I would run third for the main layout. Honestly, you could probably do third by this, and then like, I don't think you'll even need second. It'll take it.
I was in first.
Just try doing the layout in third. You'll see. That just scared the out of me. I almost stopped filming.
Yeah.
I said run third gear, not enter at the top of third gear. Jesus Christ. Yo, I've never been so scared. I thought for sure you were going into that tree.